Well, I have some methods today, absolutely awesome, where you can make some money for yourself. Are you sick and tired of being broke? Or are you sick and tired of having the same amounts of money in your bank account? Nothing is increasing, it's always deducting itself, always spending, and it's hard to actually make more money. Well, just watch me today. I'm going to show you some methods that will help you to get some more money for yourself. I always show you methods that are absolutely easy to do. I'm not here to show you methods where you need so many skills and so much experience and all that jazz. No, I'm going to show you methods that are very easy to do and you can get money very quickly. Now, you need to understand that this is not something where you have to pay money to do. You don't pay money to do this. There is no registration fees. No. Absolutely free. And wherever you are from, you can get access to these opportunities. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa or in Europe or even in Australia or America or Asia or South America. It doesn't matter. You can all get access to this opportunity. And the good thing is that you can either use your phone to do this or your computer, and you don't need a very expensive phone or an expensive computer to do this. Just an average device can work for you. Now, what you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain everything step by step. Now, I don't want you to miss an important step throughout this process, because I'll be explaining things for you to understand. So make sure you don't skip the video. Watch it all the way to the end. It's not a long video. Now, before everything, just subscribe, please. Just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. It's free. That red button, just click it for me. I would really appreciate it. And you can comment down below to say I have subscribed. I'll surely like your comment. Thank you so much. And turn on all post notifications, which means that when you turn on all post notifications, it means every time I upload a new video, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So it makes it easy for me and easy for you. Thank you so much. So the first website I want to show you today is called myachievement.com. It's myachievement.com and it's over here. As you can see over here, over 3 million app downloads, millions of people participating in cutting edge medical research, top 10 best health tracking app. So don't get too confused. It's very easy to understand. This is an app you can either download on your Android or on your iPhone. What happens is that you earn points for doing regular things, for walking, meditating, eating, running, riding on your bicycle. Sounds funny, right? Well, you're actually going to get points which you can convert to money. So basically, you make money for doing things that have to do with health. Things that got to do with health, you make money. As you see here, connect apps and earn points. Choose from 20 plus popular apps and start earning points for activities such as walking, meditating, logging meals, and answering questions about yourself. So this is the kind of stuff you'll be doing. And it's so easy to do. For example, you're going to be tracked how far you walk every morning, and you want to comment down how many kilometers or how many miles you've walked every single day. And every time you reach an accomplishment or you accomplish a goal, you get more points. So the more points you get, the more you can convert the points to money. For example, earn $10 for every 10,000 points. So 10,000 points is $10, which is redeemable via PayPal, direct deposit your bank account, or by donating your points directly to charity. Rewards are paid within 7 business days. Now, you must understand that if you don't want to use PayPal, you can get the money straight to your bank account, or you can donate it. I don't think you want to donate the money. I think you want the money for yourself. So, for example, if you walk, you're going to walk from a certain distance to a certain distance. When you walk, maybe they will give you 1,000 points. So it's all about like fitness and all these kind of fitness type of achievements. This is a great platform. For example, there are people who have posted their achievements over here. Someone was walking, as you can see here. She was walking, this guy was riding his bicycle, and this company, you know, my achievement, you can see Stanford universities here, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard University, Penn. So it's a big platform that people are using to actually make money. That is what the first thing I want to show you, where you can actually make money for actually like doing things that have to do with your own good, your health, eating better, walking, tracking your heart rate, things like that. So it's called My Achievement. You can just go on the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it onto your phone. Now, the second app I want to show you today is Cash Pirate. Cash Pirate is also an application which you can get on the App Store or the Play Store. You get rewards for trying free apps, completing surveys, and watching videos. So, for example, they want you to try a new app. Just for trying it, you get rewards. Complete surveys. They'll ask you a couple of questions. You just want to answer the questions, you'll get a reward. You watch a few videos and you will get a reward. So they're going to provide you, for example, with like videos from maybe YouTube creators where they'll send you a video and they want you to watch it. Because when you watch it, you are giving the video another view, which is making the video more popular for the actual creator. That creator is going to reward you. Now you can get all different kinds of rewards. You can get an Amazon gift card, something on Google Play, on iTunes, Xbox. You can get money directly to your PayPal account. Whichever you desire, you can get that kind of reward. So that is really a nice platform that I want to show you. The first step you need to do is you want to download and you want to register. Absolutely free to register. The second is collect coins. Try free apps. As I said, you just try a couple of free apps. Instead of just downloading apps on your phone for fun, download apps and get points. At the end of the day, you convert those points to money, and then you can then choose whichever method you want to redeem your points with. Over here, yes, get rewarded. You redeem your gift card or cash by swapping your coins. Basically, just convert your coins, your points. Whatever you want to do with your points, you can do that. Now, there's also the great method to make more money is referring friends. Earn coins while you are asleep. Refer your friends and you will get 10% of all their earnings, as well as 5% of all the friends your friends referred. Sounds nice, or does it sound confusing? Let me explain to you. Tell one of your friends to come on Cash Pirate. First of all, when you register on Cash Pirate, they're going to provide you with a link, a referral link. When you send that referral link to your friend, when your friend actually clicks on that link and decides to join Cash Pirate, every single thing they get, you will get 10% of it, which means that you can start relaxing and sleeping. So if you get like 20 people, you can just post your referral link on Facebook or Twitter, or just send it to your friends, and if they join it, you don't have to tell them that you're going to get benefits. They must just use your link and join. When they join, you're going to get 10% of every single thing they get on Cash Pirate. And when they start referring friends, you are still going to get 5% of the friends that they referred. So at the end of the day, you no longer have to use the app. You can start sleeping and enjoying the rest of your life by having this passive income, money working for you. This is Cash Pirate. Get it on the Play Store and on the App Store. Now, the third application I want to show you is TV2. TV2 is a big platform, free to register, big platform where you just need to start watching videos. Watch a lot of videos, make a lot of money. In connection with Forbes, Entrepreneur, The Cointelegraph, Vice, this online marketing rock stars. So what is TV2? Watch videos Lean back and enjoy your favorite content from thousands of creators. Earn crypto, collect rewards, and receive cryptocurrency payouts. Boost earnings, speed up your earnings by completing tasks. So basically, you watch videos. Every time you watch videos, you get rewards. You need to understand that people want people to watch their videos. People have enough money to actually pay you to watch their videos. So all you want to do is watch videos and start making money. Watch people's videos and they're going to pay you for watching their videos. So TV2 is a big platform where you can watch people's videos and make money. So these are the 3 websites I want to show you today. I hope it helps you, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.